Alright, picture this, you're running a business. Maybe it's booming, maybe it's just getting started. But you're swimming in data. Sales figures, inventory levels, customer interactions, financial reports. It's a tidal wave, and you're trying to stay afloat with spreadsheets and a patchwork of software that barely talk to each other. Sound familiar? Now, here's the question. What if there was a single, unified platform that could bring all of that chaos into order? A system that could handle everything from accounting and inventory to CRM and e-commerce, all in one place? You've probably heard of it, NetSuite. But here's the real kicker. Who's actually using it? Is it just for big corporations with endless budgets? Or is it something that could actually benefit your business? That's exactly what we're diving into today. We're going to explore the diverse landscape of industries that are leveraging NetSuite to streamline their operations, boost efficiency, and ultimately drive growth. Forget the jargon and the technical mumbo-jumbo. We're going to break it down in a way that's easy to understand and, more importantly, relevant to you. Let's start by understanding what NetSuite actually is. It's a cloud-based enterprise resource planning (ERP) system. Think of it as the central nervous system of your business. It connects all the different departments and functions, giving you a real-time, 360-degree view of your operations. This means no more scrambling for information, no more data silos, and no more relying on outdated spreadsheets. Now, you might be thinking, okay, that sounds great, but who's actually using this thing? The answer is a lot more diverse than you might think. NetSuite isn't just for one specific type of business. It's designed to be adaptable and scalable, making it a valuable tool for a wide range of industries. Let's start with retail. In today's fast-paced, omni-channel world, retailers need to be able to manage everything from inventory and order fulfillment to customer relationships and e-commerce. NetSuite provides a unified platform that allows retailers to do just that. They can track inventory in real time, manage multiple sales channels, and provide personalized customer experiences. Think about a company with multiple physical stores and a thriving online presence. NetSuite helps them synchronize all their operations, ensuring that customers have a seamless experience, no matter how they choose to shop. Next up, we have manufacturing. This industry is all about efficiency and precision. Manufacturers need to be able to manage complex supply chains, track production costs, and ensure quality control. NetSuite helps them optimize their operations by providing real-time visibility into every stage of the manufacturing process. They can track raw materials, manage work orders, and analyze production data to identify areas for improvement. Imagine a company that produces custom-made components for various industries. NetSuite allows them to manage complex bills of materials, track production schedules, and ensure that they meet their customers' specific requirements. Now, let's talk about software and technology. In this rapidly evolving industry, companies need to be agile and adaptable. NetSuite provides a flexible platform that can scale with their growth. They can manage subscription billing, track customer usage, and analyze financial performance. Think about a software company that offers a cloud-based platform. NetSuite helps them manage their recurring revenue, track customer churn, and ensure that they're providing a seamless customer experience. Then there's the wholesale distribution sector. Moving goods efficiently and accurately is the core of their business. NetSuite assists with inventory management, order processing, and shipping logistics. They can track inventory across multiple warehouses, manage complex pricing structures, and ensure timely delivery. Imagine a company that distributes products to retailers across the country. NetSuite helps them optimize their supply chain, reduce shipping costs, and improve customer satisfaction. Don't forget services businesses. From marketing agencies to consulting firms, these companies rely on their ability to manage projects, track billable hours, and ensure profitability. NetSuite provides a comprehensive project management and financial management solution. They can track project costs, manage time and expenses, and generate accurate invoices. Imagine a marketing agency that manages multiple client projects simultaneously. NetSuite helps them track project progress, manage resources, and ensure that they're delivering projects on time and within budget. And of course, nonprofits are also finding immense value in NetSuite. They need to manage donations, track grants, and ensure financial accountability. NetSuite provides a robust financial management and fundraising solution. They can track donations, manage grant applications, and generate detailed financial reports. Imagine a nonprofit organization that relies on donations to fund its programs. NetSuite helps them manage their fundraising efforts, track donor relationships, and ensure that they're using their resources effectively. But it's not just about the big industries. Even smaller, niche businesses are finding success with NetSuite. Think about a growing e-commerce brand that's struggling to keep up with demand. NetSuite can help them automate their order fulfillment, manage their inventory, and provide a seamless customer experience. Or consider a startup that's rapidly expanding its operations. NetSuite can provide a scalable platform that can grow with their business. The key takeaway here is that NetSuite is versatile. It's not limited to a specific company size or industry. It's designed to be adaptable and customizable, allowing businesses of all shapes and sizes to tailor it to their unique needs. Now, why are all these different industries choosing NetSuite? There are several key reasons. First and foremost, it's a cloud-based platform. This means that businesses can access their data from anywhere, at any time. It also eliminates the need for expensive on-premise hardware and software. Secondly, NetSuite provides a unified platform. This means that all the different departments and functions of a business are connected, providing a single source of truth. This eliminates data silos and ensures that everyone is working with the same information. Thirdly, NetSuite is scalable. This means that it can grow with your business. Whether you're a startup or a large enterprise, NetSuite can adapt to your changing needs. Fourthly, NetSuite offers real-time visibility. This means that you can track your business performance in real time, allowing you to make informed decisions. And finally, NetSuite provides automation. This means that you can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up your employees to focus on more strategic initiatives. But beyond the features and benefits, what truly sets NetSuite apart is its ability to empower businesses to make smarter decisions. By providing real-time data and insights, NetSuite helps businesses identify trends, anticipate challenges, and capitalize on opportunities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.